Okay, really quick, I just wanted to get the weight on an OEM Glock 26 Gen 5 slide with the RSA and barrel. This is all the same parts, OEM. As you can see, it's 441 grams. It is just under a pound. That is how much the slide weighs. So back to grams. Now we're gonna find out what the MOS version is, how much it weighs, see if it's a significant difference in weight. Same slide, barrel, RSA, all OEM. This is a MOS Gen 5. 396 grams. It's a pretty significant weight drop right there. Dropped 2 ounces, almost. So yes, the Gen 5, I'm gonna turn this light on. I only had it off so you guys could see, but yeah, here it is, the Gen 5 MOS, 13 grams. Here's the Gen 5 regular, almost a pound. Huge weight savings with an MOS version. Huge weight savings.